morning, children. So today we are going to know about the first lesson, that is reading and making maps. Okay, first, what is map? Map means, do you know what is map? Map means, map is a shape or image of a place. Okay, this is a geographical extension from one point to other point. Okay, map is a image of place. Okay, so our topic is reading and making maps. Maps, when you read the map, maps tells us many things. When you read a map, so we have different kinds of maps. That is, three kinds of maps are there. One is historical map. Second is political map. That is administrative map, also known as. Last one is physical map. Okay, so when you read any kind of map, maps tells us many things. What things to be tells us, map tells us many things. How it is shaped it, and what is the altitude of a place, and what the distance, what kind of landform it is, how much rainfall it is, what kind of soils are there, what kind of crops are grown there, and how hot it is, how cold it is. So map tells us many things. So like that. So when we are knowing about the maps, reading the maps, what are the components of maps? Components of map. There are three kinds of components. First one is direction. Second one is distance. Distance in the sense map scale. Third one is symbols. These are the main components. Okay, so once you see the map of the district, so we have, in the old map we have 10 districts in Telangana state, and it was classified, and it was division into the 30 to 33 districts. Okay, so once you take and which district you are living, in which district you are belong. So our district is Rangareddy, RR district, Rangareddy district. Okay, so you draw a map of districts. You can find, you can point out what are the villages, towns, cities within the districts. Likewise, these are the political divisions of a district. Okay, likewise we can divide any kind of map into the different political divisions, like the Telangana state in before that, in previous, we have 10 political divisions. Okay, so, and again when the Telangana formation, so after a long time which is given promises, for a decentralization of the state and giving the administrative convenience. So 10 districts are divided into the 33 districts. So likewise we can find any political division in the administrative map. Okay. So coming to the first component. What are the first component? First component is directions. So any kind of map. So all maps are showing the first direction. So there is 4 directions. So always shows this is the north direction, south, west and east. Okay. So before knowing the directions, and can you draw a map, a sketch map? Sketch map. Can you draw a sketch map from your house to the school? Suppose this is your house. Okay, this is your house. So when you are going to school, you will start from here. In which direction you are going? You are going towards east. And again, you reach to the main road. Okay. As again, turn your direction toward the south. Okay. And turn starting from west to east. And again, you turn the direction toward the west. Okay. Like south. Okay. Then turn towards here. Your school is there. So once you see the direction, so this is the direction. Top one is north. Against the opposite direction, south. When you are standing towards east, this is the east. Okay, suppose this is an east. In your right side, what is there? East, west. This is the east. Left side, north. Right side, south. Behind, west. So the first component of a map is direction. Did you understand the direction? So once you draw a map based on these directions, a sketch map it is. You are moving toward the east and turn this direction, and then going to the school, reaches your school. This is the west direction. This is south, east, north, west. Okay. So likewise, we can draw a sketch map, right? So any map you can find these directions. It is used to know that in which direction that place is located. Okay. So we shall know one example here. So what is the example here? I'll tell you that. Based on the regarding the sketch map, so I'll tell you one example. Okay. So there are two friends. They met in a Red Cross service activity. Okay. Whose name is Mallika. And her friend Laila. Both became a thickest friends when they met in the Red Cross service activity. Okay. So after that they became a close friends. So Laila proposed to visit Mallika's house. Okay. So Laila asked Mallika, send the details about your house and your village. So Mallika lives in Venkatapuram. Laila lives in Adilabad. Okay, Mallika asked, Laila asked Mallika, suppose to visit your house, and Mallika wrote a letter with all details. How? With the sketch map. Okay? So this is the marketplace. Okay? And this is the way. Suppose it is the direction of the north. In the south side, there is a bus stand. Okay? And again, turn towards like this. So here, some settlements are there. Settlements mean people who are living the house settlements, colonies. Okay? And again, here my house. My house. Whose house? Mallika's house. Who is visiting the my house of Mallika? Laila is going to visit. She has started from bus stop. Okay. So moving towards which direction it is? East. And turn toward this. Again. How many turnings are there? 1, 2. Okay. And towards Mallika's house. Actually, Mallika forgot to mention the details of the distance from the bus stand to her house. Okay. So, she unable to reach to the Mallika's house. Why? Because she didn't mention the details how much distance from the bus stop to the Mallika's house. She has faced some troubles. She came on walk to the Mallika's house. Oh, when Mallika reached, Laila reached to the Mallika's house. Oh, Mallika, what you have done? You forget to mention the distance from the details and distance from bus stop to your home. How can I know it? No, it is very easy to come to our house because this is the south, this is the north. Okay? This is the south. Here is also settlement city. South Venkatapuram. These are all Venkatapuram only. So how can Laila knows whether it is a North Venkatapuram or the South Venkatapuram? Okay. So there is a PO, post office. Okay. And then is a PS, police station. So there are number of locations are there, like the post office, and here is one track is there, one main road is there. Likewise, there are many locations are there. So at last, Laila reached to the Mallika's house. Okay. So when we are directing directions, when you give good direction and a detailed direction, it makes directions or help us to locate a place, to reach a place. Okay. So that is why, first of all, we have to locate any place, we have to follow the directions. But what happened here? Mallika forgot to write the details in her letter to invite her friend Laila. So we have to remember and keep in mind, once you are asking them to go for any place or inviting to any place, inviting your home also for any reason, for any occasion, so we have to give a clear directions, unless there will be a confusion. So when they are moving towards one direction and turn the other direction, it makes trouble to them. That is why, so we have to use the main components of a map. The first one is direction. Clear? So this is a sketch map. What map? Sketch map. This is not actual map. This is sketch map. A rough map. Okay? Right? So based on the directions, we have to know the place very easily with the help of the directions. Now coming back to the second component. Is distance. Distance is nothing but map scale. Suppose a distance between one place, for example, this is a distance from Tekkali, or easy to know that Hyderabad to okay, we call that is Chowtuppal. Okay, how many kilometers? 50 kilometers. Okay, can you draw a 50 kilometers on the map? It impossible. So the distance on a map, but a map scale, from the, we have to convert the actual distance into distance on a map. How do you change? So we have to convert the 50 kilometers. So we have to convert into 1 centimeter. Okay. So how many kilometers are total distance of the 50 kilometers into 5 centimeters. So you can easily draw, you can easily indicate, direct the distance on a map. Okay. So this is the so how do you locate a place? That is based on third component. Third component is symbols. I already told you what are the main components of a map. One is direction, second is distance, third is symbols. What are the symbols? Why we need a symbols? Because the actual objects, so there are many objects on the India map or on the world map or even a state map or district map or your village town. So there are many objects. So we cannot show the actual objects on map. So that is why we are using conventional symbols. Conventional symbols. Okay. What are the conventional symbols? For every object have a symbol. Suppose. So there are some symbols are given in your textbook, like Parka Road, Kacha Road, broad gauge, meter gauge, okay, temple, church, river, and post office, post and telegraphs, PS, and river also came, okay, trees, so suppose Paka road like this, okay, culture, broad gauge is a symbol like narrow gauge, okay, temple, church, and masjid. Okay. Likewise. So these symbols can be used to identify particular objects on a map. Okay. So suppose a river. River is going like this. Okay. So you have to understand the symbols first. So these three components are very important. Reading the maps as well as making the maps. Okay. So in the textbook, so one direction map is given here. Suppose, how do you divide, how do you show the directions? This is a place. Okay. So we have divide. Okay. This is north, south, east, and west. Suppose generally in the east, what do you find in the east? Sunrise in the east. Okay. Here in the western side, there is one well is there. Here is some house is constructed. Here some hills are there. Likewise, you can find the directions. Okay. So directions I already told you. That is north to the south, east to west. Okay. And what are the places what are the things located in four directions. Okay. So that is why overall we have to understand the conventional symbols are very important to know the particular place in which direction is very important to follow, to study and read these three: direction, distance, and symbols are very important. Okay. So at last I want to mention, okay, the Laila and Malika and Laila have joined together, visited one place. They walked on a bridge. Okay, so there is one bridge is there near their Venkatapuram, and walking on the bridge. So that is also can be drawn as sketch map. That bridge is composed of the distance of 500 meters. With the distance of how can you draw a sketch map, okay, about the 500 meters bridge? It is not possible. Oh, okay, as I told you that, so we have to convert the 500 into the short distance and map scale distance. Okay, so you can easily find the actual distance, convert into the map distance. We can draw a sketch map easily with putting 5 posts. Okay, so which is already drawn, you see once again in the textbook. Okay, so you can find it is how it has been changed from the actual bridge to the sketch bridge. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you understand the how the conversion of actual distance into the sketch map scale. Okay, so at last, so we have to find and observe, read all the components of map. It is very easy to understand in a better way. I already shown the symbols, directions, and also I have changed the distance also. So once you understand these 3 kinds and given detailed information, you can understand the reading and making of map. Okay, so this is reading and making map. So we have concluded the main parts of a map to reading and making a map. So if you have not understand, if you have any question, you may ask the questions. Any questions are there? Okay, so thank you so much for giving a